Before we start this video, I'd just like to say Happy Mother's Day, Mum. Love you loads and I'll see you soon. We should be home in the next few weeks, hopefully, and I'll see you then. Do me a favour, Mum, have a nice day. Enjoy yourself, and I'll see you soon. Love you. Ta-ra. Hello everyone, just in the garage here. Just going to do some cutting out for this pipe to take a toilet from the bathroom. But what we're going to be doing is going to be putting a temporary toilet down here because we don't know the layout of the bathroom yet. So yeah, I'm going to crack on with this, get this out, get it marked up, get it cut and get start taking it out. It's going to be a bit of a nightmare, like, but I'll get there. Well, this is what I managed to get done today. Broke it all out. To be honest with you, enough fairness, hasn't got to go that deep. But I'm just up to it, you know. I'll have it out tomorrow. Continue in the morning, get it done. That's the problem we're going to have. that's definitely going to be cut because that steps out about the bottom. So let's see where we are. Get myself a felt tip. Come on, look. Bear with me a sec, please. Let's go like that now. And look. My feet are stuck. Don't run off space.
Can you be best to get in here with it's wider?
No, so I'm trying to do against, make sure I've got against the wall I want. Right. Yeah. Let's go. I don't know whether you agree with me, but Lorraine wanted to buy a new toilet for Dan just to use as a temporary, and I just didn't see the point. It's classed as dead money, isn't it? You buy it and it's just to throw away at the end. There's no point. So I said we may as well bleach this down, new toilet seats on, and this will be fine. There you go, toilet's outside. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to put a load of bleach on it, just let it sit for a while, and then I'll give a good wash down, and that'll be fine to use as a temporary toilet. Just save buying one and wasting money. Right, I'm going to crack on with this. Nice and clean, eh? It's fine as a temporary toilet. Put a nice white toilet seat on it. Sound? Yeah, temporary toilet done. Right, this was the toilet in the garage. No, that's the toilet. And I did not like going in there. Oh, it was horrible. That's the lid of the septic tank there. Well, the septic tank, as I said, it's redundant now, so it's going to be getting emptied and then that'll be getting capped over. That's circle thing there, but that was the toilet. Now people might say, why didn't you put the toilet in there? Well, this is coming down this, so it's pointless me putting the toilet in there and then having to take it back out. So the toilet's going to be going here, and I'm going to build like a bit of a stud wall up each side and put a bit of plastic on the front. Well, today's jobs, I'm going to start getting the concreting done on the inside of the house. I'm also going to be concreting this, going to be concreting that in as well, getting that done, so we can get our garage back. It's been a pain in the backside, to be honest with you, with that being open like that. Got a bit of a problem, can't get the wheel back over now.
Hello everyone. I'm going to be doing a job today, and my job today is to concrete this trench what Fran done probably over a week ago. Now if I wait for Fran, I'll be waiting a long time. So I'm going to tackle it today myself. He's just doing a mix for me. Just want to mention, I know that's a bizarre place for a toilet, but it is only temporary.
That's how you that, yeah? Use the lighter one then. Sorry, my fault.
I know it's your fault. Fran said use the heavy brush instead of the light one. I was going to use the light one, and the heavy brush has made a mess of it. I'll show you. But never mind. These things can be fixed. Oh, look at that. Isn't that lovely? I think it'd be good on a building site.
Yeah, as a boss giving the orders out. It's fantastic. You've done a very good job of that. I am impressed.
So if Fran's impressed, then that's alright then. There you go. One job finished. You can do the next one.
You'll all get it today because
No, put it back
all
somewhere.
of it. Can I just get that brush?
Going to a party, birthday party. Go to a little birthday party.
Are you sure they want a cake to make?
No, I haven't. I've actually made them. They're actually twins, and I've actually made them a cake. Bit of a stroll because I haven't got any of my cake equipment with me, but I'll show you it in a minute. See what you think. Everything on the cake is edible.
Okay.
So, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again.
Wow.
Well, day 2 of this concreting now. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to finish outside this the driveway they had to cut through for the pipe work for the main drains. So I was going to set up my mixer, get me stone, and I want to crack on getting this in concreted in. Well, look at that, eh? The rain never clean a trowel. for this week. I'd just like to say thanks for watching these videos and also for subscribing. And I'd like to welcome our new subscribers. We're doing well on the subscribers, I must admit, but I would like a lot more if you could. But yeah, I would really like to thank you all. It's been great. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you all next week. And if you could, give us a thumbs up. And if you just want to, please subscribe. And leave a comment. Because we like the comments. And we like having a little chat back. It's quite nice. So yeah, again, thanks for watching. And I'll see you all next week. Ciao now.